secret of success is to be ready when your opportunity comes, and I believe it is quiet. How are you doing, everyone? It is Safe Journey. After getting some observation and advices from the viewers, that since I have been talking about procrastination, then it's good to talk about opportunities, so that it will be equal. That whenever they are expected people to remove out themselves into the world of procrastination, then they are expected to arrive at the world of opportunities. That is chances that are always coming to our life each time and every day. And do you know that opportunities to achieve what you want in life are coming to you more often than you realize? Yes. The reason those opportunities don't always turn into the experiences you hope. For option has to do with whether or not you are ready for them. Most people live ready what they expect in life, not what they want. Not what they want. You may want a better job or a new relationship, but if you don't really expect to get one, then it is likely you won't put forth the effort to make it happen. For example, if you want a great partner but never expect to meet anyone, then chances are that half the time when you leave the house, you never think twice about what you look like. So you see, if however you expected to meet your great new partner any moment, you will probably pay more attention to your appearances even when just going out of a gallon of milk. If you felt great about yourself every time you left the house, you will be more likely to give off great energy and also more likely to talk to others, which will greatly increase the chances of meeting someone. Expectation leads to action. Yes, this is rightly right. Expectation leads to action, which creates some experiences. People often make the mistake of believing that if the good things in their life will just show up, then they could be happy and everything will change. If I had a job, I will have a reason to stop watching TV all day. Yeah, since I have something that I am doing, so no need for me to always watching TV. The problem with this line of thinking is that if you are sitting on the couch all day, the job you want to never show up. If you are sitting for procrastination, then don't you ever expect that the job will come to you. You get this in life that will be much of use. Why? There are always exceptions to the rule. Most people who have great jobs show up ready for the job. Yeah, everyone you see having a job, or he struggled to get it, then it is likely he or she work hard. Yeah, any person who have a great job show up ready for the job, then it is likely he or she work hard. Identify the skills that were needed, gain experience, build their results, polish their interview skills, pay carefully attention to how they are being perceived, and give the potential employer exactly what they are looking for. It didn't just happen. They were not just lucky. They wanted it and were ready for the opportunities when it arrived. So how can you learn to be more prepared for the opportunities that are coming your way? I'm asking you. 1. Be clear about what you want. When you don't really know what you want, it is hard to know when an opportunity for something better has arrived. Yes. Try to have a choice of career. Try to have career choice. Clarity gives you focus and direction. Diagnosis is like driving around in a dark cloud with no idea where you are going. Finding your clarity starts with turning into your emotions. A lack of clarity often comes from not trusting your own feelings. When you are weighing various options in your mind, ask yourself how one option compares to the other in terms of your emotion. If an option tells the person and excitement, then do some work and find out
6, 5,
4,
3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis. Mission to build, resupply, and to do research on the International Space Station.
Houston now controlling. Atlantis begins its penultimate journey to shore up the International Space Station. Atlantis now in the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit, 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Outpost. 30 seconds into the flight, Atlantis almost 2 miles in altitude, almost 6 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center already, traveling 500 miles an hour.
Look for books, website, classes, organization, or even
The 3 liquid fuel main engines now throttling back to 72% of rated performance, going into the bucket, reducing the stress on the shuttle as it breaks through the sound barrier.
Organization that supports space-time entrepreneurs. They often offer mentorship to help guide new customers through the process. The knowledge is out there, but you have to be willing to look for it and ask for help. Yeah, ask for help during this creative process by engaging with others, and it increases your positive expectation about your ability to achieve what you want, because you have the knowledge to create an action plan. So please, I urge you, whenever the chances, whenever the opportunities come, don't wait, don't stop on procrastination. Try to push yourself a lot. Whatever you are, whatever you think you have, you can get it. Don't get tired, don't get afraid or tired. Try to push yourself a lot. Try to struggle and have a good determination. One of the motivation speakers said, wherever there is determination, they must have determination. So try to be a person, a determined person, ready to get some chances from the opportunities. Whenever opportunities come, try to work hard. Try to see that you have been trying so that you get it. I wish you all the best.